Good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be doing a small restoration or touch up at this job. We sealed these pavers about a week ago, and we had a lot of overcast, and I think it rained too that day. So a couple of spots on the pavers had pool sealer. Sometimes, you know, you add a little bit too much, especially if you do 2 coats. On your second coat, you know, sometimes it stays on top of the pavers and it's not able to, you know, soak in. So therefore you end up with these spots of pooling sealer and it turn white. So what you can do is back roll those spots, or you can use a blower to spread out the sealer. So we didn't do that day, so we ended up with a few spots that we got to treat. So if you guys ever come across this type of problem, I'm going to show you guys how to take care of it. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I'll help you out the best I can. Let's check the job out. Alright, so like I said, the pavers look good. They look good, but there's a few spots. So you can see little spots like that. Like this, we gotta take care of those. Under here, you can see it's because of the shape of the pavers too, the texture. So these got the little grooves where the sealer sits. Because you can see these ones that's flat, they don't have it, but these got this little texture spots where the sealer sits right there, and that's why that happens. So over here is the worst area, so we're gonna take care of those. And out here we just got a few of them, not a lot. Like you can see one right there, got a little bit right here, but mostly right there. So let me show you guys how to take care of that. So we're gonna use some Xylene to take care of those. So the reason that happens is because the moisture is trapped and the sealer turns white like that. So the Xylene is supposed to basically release all the air out, and then the sealer basically will soak right back into the pavers. So we're gonna use a rag to apply it. Make sure you wear your gloves. I don't have mine. Of course, wear your protection, eye protection, and a respirator too. So we're gonna start working on these spots and get them looking good, man. Let's go. So we're just gonna do a spot. It's kind of far away for our first method. If that doesn't work, we can use some the pressure wash the white spots off. So we're gonna do these 2 pavers over here with the Xylene, and then we'll see what it turns out to be, and then we'll do our next step. So I just applied the Xylene, and we're gonna give it a few minutes, 9:06. And then we're gonna come back in a few minutes and see what it does. All right, so you can see this sealer is starting to soften up right here. That you can see right here, this little pocket. There's a pocket sitting right there, a little white pocket. I can just pick it off easily. Look, it comes right off. Pick it off easily. So once you're done, this side it's starting to look good already. Once you're done, you can just take a roller. You don't have to spray it. You can just use a roller and then roll these areas where the white spots were, so you don't have that same issue. Guys, we're moving along. So I started using this little flat edge scraper. It's working really good. It's, everything is pretty much soft after removing the sealer. I mean, before I even remove the sealer, it's like super soft. So these areas that you see right there, those are the areas where the white pockets were. Once I roll them, you won't see them again, because right now underneath there, that's bare paver right there. That's why it looks like that. So it's gonna be all blended in once we roll it. See all these little spots. All those was sealer. So we're just gonna keep on working around, getting everything off of there. Yeah, it's tedious. It's very tedious, especially when you're only doing spots and not, a whole entire deck. I'm gonna start working on these spots over here. These are the ones he was really more concerned about right here, but while we're here, we're just gonna take care of all of them. Y'all, we're moving along. Just got this whole area done. Just going through, making sure everything is actually up. Now this is just like the little pockets that I picked off. So I'm just picking them off, making sure I get down to the bare paver. This is one way of doing it. Next time I'll probably just try the the pressure washer out of turbo nozzle, get that off, because it only been a week, so it's still kind of soft, so I can just pluck it right up with a little bit of Xylene. Little pockets, they come right up. It's just trapped air, that's all it is. That's what happens when you add too much and you don't back roll. So yes sir, we're gonna go ahead and grab our blower, blow all these shavings off, and then we'll roll the sealer on. All right, you guys, just got done blowing everything off. I got a nap roller. I'm gonna go ahead and roll all those little spots with some sealer. We'll start over here. I'm gonna go all over every little spot that we took. We took the sealer from, that would actually blend it in. So I'm just gonna do, it was mostly on the edge of the pool cage, because you guys know we have that shield when we do the around the pool cage. So a lot of time it pools a lot right there. You don't got to go too heavy, just a very light coat, because obviously the paper is already sealed, so there's no point of adding a whole lot of sealer. Make sure you don't have any, if you drip any little bit on here from when you get out the bucket, make sure you get those too, because you don't want those to turn out white. I'm gonna continue working. Y'all enjoy the video. Alright, you guys, we all wrapped up. This is what the pavers look like now. Got rid of all the white spots. Under here was the worst. See here, everything is good to go. So just a little tip for you guys of ways you can do it. You can do it with a pressure washer, with a turbo nozzle, or maybe a 30-degree nozzle. If you're not, trying to do a large area. Also, you can use a scraper to get those up, depending on how long the pavers were sealed. So if it's not cured, if it's like a week or less, you can pull them up pretty easy. If it's longer than a week or so, then Xylene or some type of solvent remover type chemical will take that off too. So this is what we're looking like now. Everything's looking good. Appreciate y'all for watching.